Hey, it's Fancy Bullock here. Just giving a little update on what we're going to be doing with the truck, hopefully soon. Obviously going to be doing the rear brakes because they've been squeaking for a little while now and I got to get them replaced. I got these brake pads for the rear. I also ordered two new rotors for the rear because I'm pretty sure the current ones are pretty messed up. Just because they look all gouged and stuff from what I could see. So I'm not going to even worry about it, I'm just going to replace them. I also ordered some new shocks. I was considering getting some really nice expensive shocks, but I decided not to, given that even the not so expensive ones were still about, how much money were they? They were about $200 anyways. So what I ordered, someone on YouTube suggested these actually on a shock video I was watching, is these eBay China Japan special for $88 for a whole set. So my shocks in the rear have been squeaking for quite some time now. So the front one of the front ones was leaking for sure, and one of the front ones is also squeaking, and then the two rear, one is squeaking really loud on bumps and stuff, and they're both super rotted and rusted. So I'm pretty sure they're original shocks from the truck. I don't think he ever replaced the shocks on the truck. So these ones are probably not going to last as long as those super expensive ones, but I don't really care. It's cheaper this way. Cheaper for me. I don't have tons of money, especially after I bought the the snowmobile. So yeah, so that shock is going to be coming in, and when that stuff comes in, I will probably add on to this video right now. So I'm doing my brakes today on the F-150 in the rear. They've been squeaking a bit, making some noise. Interestingly enough though, I took the rotor, put the caliper, everything off. There's actually a decent amount of life left in them, but the bottom one cracked and broke off and looked like it was just sitting there not doing anything. But this rotor's all messed up. So from the way it looks like the guy, when I bought it from, must have sat for quite some time before he sold it to me. So that's why everything's all rusty but not really used up. That's really the only explanation I can think of. So brakes are on. It's not really worth filming this stuff because this took me longer to get the wheel off than it did doing these brakes. 4 bolts, 2 bolts holding the caliper in, 2 bolts holding this bracket in, which you need to take off to get the rotor off. Slip out the old brake pad, slip in the new, put some grease on stuff if you want to put grease. Everything came out super easy for this being a rusty truck, so they greased some stuff, so looks good. Now I'm gonna see this this kind of rusty chrome sheen stuff. Well, my dad had some polishing stuff, so I was able to take the wheels from looking like that to looking brand spanking new chrome. So it's way easier to do it when it's up like this and then get to it easy. So I'm just going to be polishing the wheel here quite a bit. Just to add on the last piece of video, I will be doing the brake pads and rotor on the other side soon, and then probably get the shocks done. But for now, I just wanted to get a video out, so I hope you guys enjoyed the couple minutes of taking this stuff off.